Do it again, Paige. Tackle him.
Tackle me. Tackle me, Paige. She's attacking me. Tackle me, Paige. Tackling me. Paige, tackle me.
Show us the dance, Paige. Show us the Tootsie Roll dance.
Tootsie Roll dance. Tootsie Roll dance. Tootsie Roll dance. Wait, can we show you guys a dance? Ready, Paige? Our dance. Our dance. Da da la da la. Spin out. Spin back in. And da da da. Spin out. Come back into me. And then do a twist. And then the dip.
I think you guys could be on Dancing with the Stars.
Yeah, but she keeps on going. Spin out. Spin out.
Whoa.
Spin out.
Sorry.
The dip. And with a kiss. Do you want to put the dances together? Are you on video? Yeah. Ready? We're going to put them together. Da, da, da. Stand up, you goofball. Stand up. Da, da, da. Spin out.
I think someone's too wound up.
Spin back.
Just let it. Okay, freestyle.
Woo! Freestyle. Paige, tackle me. Freestyle. Tackle me now, Paige. Ow. Tackle me now, Paige. Freestyle. And then I
Freestyle means you just dance any way you want. Not that you tackle your sister.
Freestyle. Paige, go like this. Go like this. No, do it this way though. No, Paige. Put one hand over your nose and one hand like this. And go. Put it over your nose.
Was that a burp?
Yes, you burped in my face. It smells.
Say goodbye, Paige.
No, say goodbye.
Say goodbye, Paige.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, Paige.
No,